We learned trigonometry 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So we are learning fifth part. Exercise 11.2. Third sum. Evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. What is the value of sin 60 plus 30? What can you conclude? So, solution. The given the statement is sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Do you know the values? You will learn in the table. So, sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 value 1 by 2 cos 60 value 1 by 2. So LCM is nothing LCM into root 3 into root 3 root 9 3 root 3 whole square 2 into 2 4 plus 1 1 is 1 2 2s are 4 square root cancel 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 LCM 4 is in cut off 4 1 time 1 3 is 3 plus 4 is 4 cross at 1 time 1 1 is 1 so 4 by 4 4 1 is 4 1 so this value was 1. Next sin 60 plus 30 value sin 60 plus 30 sin 90. So sin 90 value 1. You know this value is 1, this value is 1. So both are equal. Sin 60 plus 30 is equal to sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Both values are 1. What can you conclude? దీన్ని బట్టి నువ్వు ఏం చెప్పావు ఏం గ్రహించావు లెట్ 60 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ 30 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు బి ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 60 ఈజ్ ఏ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 30 ఈజ్ బి 60 దగ్గర ఏ 30 దగ్గర బి సో sin a plus b is equal to sin 60 a cos 30 b plus sin b cos a. So cos a sin b and also cos a sin b both are equal. Sin a cos b cos a sin b. This is the formula. Okay. Fourth sum. Is it right to say cos 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30? So LHS is equal to cos 60 plus 30. So cos 60 plus 30 cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees value is equal to 0. Cos 90 degrees value is equal to 0. As usual, RHS cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30 cos 60 value 1 by 2, cos 30 value root 3 by 2, minus sin 60 value root 3 by 2, sin 30 value 1 by 2. 1 root 3 is root 3, 2 2 is 4, minus root 3 into 1 root 3, 2 2 is 4, plus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 crash is equal to 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. Both are equal. This means cos 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. So let 60 degrees is equal to A, 30 degrees is equal to B. Cos A plus B, 60 is equal to A, 30 is equal to B. So cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is the formula. So in right angle triangle, triangle PQR, right angle is at Q and PQ is equal to 6 centimeters. Angle RPQ is equal to 60 degrees. Determine the lengths QR and PR. This is the right angle triangle. PQR. So right angle at Q, it is a right angle 90 degrees. PQ is equal to 6 centimeters. PQ is 6 centimeters. Angle RPQ, RPQ, this is the angle, RPQ angle, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, RPQ, center is the angle, RPQ. Determine the lengths of QR and PR. So, this is the angle, we want QR and PR. So, this is the angle, this is the adjacent side. This is the angle, this is the adjacent side, this is the opposite side. First QR, opposite, adjacent. So, tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side of angle 60 degrees by adjacent side of angle 60 degrees. So, opposite side is QR, adjacent side is PQ. Tan 60 degrees is equal to QR is equal to QR. PQ is equal to 6 centimeters. Tan 60 degrees value root 3 is equal to QR by 6. Cross multiplication. QR, there is net 1. QR into 1. QR is equal to 6 into root 3. 6 root 3 centimeter. QR is equal to 6 root 3 centimeters. This is the value. Next, you want PR. PR. So, PR hypotenuse. PQ adjacent side. Hypotenuse adjacent side cos 60. Cos 60 degrees equal to adjacent side of angle 60 degrees by hypotenuse. So 60 degrees adjacent side PQ. by I want to use PR. Cos 60 degrees value 1 by 2. PQ is equal to 6 centimeters. PR. So cross multiplication. 6 to the 12, 1 PR. 1 PR is equal to 6 into 2. PR is equal to 12 centimeters. So this is the answer. PR is equal to 12 centimeters. System in triangle XYZ, right angle is at Y. YZ is equal to X and XZ is equal to 2X. Then determine angle YXZ, angle YZX. Solution. This is the right angle triangle. So right angle at Y. YZ is equal to X and XZ is equal to 2X. Then determine YXZ. YXZ. This is the angle. And YZX. YZX. This is the angle. He wants this angle and this angle. So first this angle means opposite side to hypotenuse. Opposite to hypotenuse is sine. So solution, sine angle YXZ, angle YXZ is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. YXZ, opposite side YZ by hypotenuse XZ. So sine angle YXZ is equal to YZ means X by 2X. XX crossed. Sine YXZ is equal to 1 by 2. Sine which value 1 by 2? Sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. So YXZ is equal to 30 degrees. YXZ is equal to 30 degrees. Next, as usual, he wants YZX. YZX. So YZX angle adjacent side to hypotenuse side. Adjacent side hypotenuse. So cos YZX is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side YZ by XZ. So YZ is equal to X, XZ is equal to 2X. XX cancelled. Cos YZX is equal to 1 by 2. Cos which value? 1 by 2. 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. So half of equal cos YZX. YZX is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Seventh, is it right to say that sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B? Justify your answer. So sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. Given, let A is equal to 60 degrees, B is equal to 30 degrees. LHS sin A plus B, sin 60 plus 30, sin 90 degrees. So sin 90 is equal to 1. RHS sin A plus sin B, sin 60 plus sin 30. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So their LCM is 2. 2 into 1 time cos 1 3 is root 3 is root 3 plus 2 into 1 time cross 1 1 is 1. So root 3 plus 1 by 2, it is 1, it is root 3 plus 1 by 2. So both are not equal. Sin A plus B is not equal sin A plus sin B. So given the statement is false. So exercise is completed. Next we will go to next further exercise.